Hey, how's it going? I wanted to make a quick video on how to join the Save Club business opportunity. Save Club makes it extremely easy. They pay the representatives or the affiliates that are with the Save Club membership. They give them the opportunity to be an affiliate with the business. And that's how the network marketing model works, is they pay us to promote the service and products, as opposed to paying, like how a lot of other products are promoted, is they hire an actor, or they do a lot of television commercials, direct mail pieces to your mailbox, or radio, things of that nature. But instead of them paying to do that, the network marketing model is they pay us to get the word out about their products and services. So with that being said, to join the Save Club is very simple. Like, down below in the description is my unique link that I have as an affiliate. And so if you decide to join the Save Club just to partake in the savings that you can get every single month, then all you have to do is click on that link, and you'll be able to join it'll give you the option to either join as an affiliate, or to just partake in the Save Club savings. Okay, it's just under $20 a month. It's $19.97 a month, and so far from what I am experiencing, I am saving way more per month than the $19.97 that it cost me to be a part of the membership. So it really is a win-win all the way around. And even the businesses that you go to, they win, because they're able to sell their products and services in your local market, which is what I really like about the Save Club, because this isn't just a Save Club about global travel or anything else like that. I can go down to my local Walmart or Costco or any of the fast food restaurants here in town, and I have a savings right on my phone app, and I can use it at that establishment. So I'm gonna keep this one really short because it is really simple to join the Save Club. All you have to do is click on my link down in the description, and it will take you through the process. It gives you the option at some point. You can either click on, they'll have a box where you can click on if you want to be an affiliate and earn extra money. And I highly encourage this, because with the cost of things going up and job security at a pretty significant low right now, heaven forbid someone should lose their job or get sick or get injured, and you can't go into work, then you have a whole nother difficulty in your life with having stress on money and paying the bills. So even if someone doesn't earn $30,000-$40,000 a month, but what if they just earn enough to pay their house note, or to pay their auto note and car insurance? To some families, that would be a significant amount. Or with the cost of food these days, what if it just covered the amount that you ate in a month, your food bill? I think that is really significant to a lot of people, which is why I also encourage, if you're in a household and you have you earn a really good amount of money, and you don't need the information in this video, I understand that. But if you like, comment, and subscribe to my video, it helps the algorithm, it helps get the word out for the families that do need to earn a little bit extra in their life by becoming a Save Rep affiliate. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and the link to join is down in the description. And when I mentioned the various ways that someone can earn, I'm not making any kind of income guarantees. Individual results will vary. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. I never want to overpromise and underdeliver. but I do have a significant amount of training for my team, and statistics show that when a business is in pre-launch, a new business like this, a business that's going to disrupt the network marketing industry, the earlier you get in, the better. This business doesn't officially launch until June 1st, so I highly encourage you, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking about doing this, lock arms with me. I'll give you the training material that I have for my team, and we can make something happen. I'll see you on the next video.